Watch what happens.
Hey, how do you do this thing?
I don't know. You'd have to ask Aiden. Aiden. Babe. Oh my God.
Holy smokes. How do you do this? It's probably not even, probably needs to be plugged in, huh? Oh, jeez.
Jesus, babe.
Huh.
It's gotta be even.
Yeah. If you fall, it's not. I'm not. I'm.
You're not responsible?
Neither one of us are. I already told him not to do it.
What's up?
Press on the.
Because you.
Yeah, do that.
So should I just jump on it?
No, don't do that.
Just go like this and then go?
Like, make sure your feet are against that and that.
Okay. So it don't take off on me.
Just wait.
Whoa, what? Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Let me fix it.
Okay. It's gotta be like that?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Do right foot, I think, first.
Big! Get up! Don't knock the TV down!
Oh, jeez.
Babe!
Okay, I got it.
Feet against. Feet against, that's what's happening. Get up.
Babe!
Hey, I think I
Get
got it.
away from the TV!
You got it. No, against. Fully against. I'm not trying to die today.